Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I've seen it on the streets, I've heard stories, I've heard rumors, but I never tried it. What is this? The balut. Balut is one of the exotic foods in the Philippines that you should try as a foreigner. After taking a few shots of whiskey and brandy, I gathered my courage to try it. Let's get into the video and see.
Yeah. Okay, let's start it.
So, guys,
Wait.
we are going to try
Wait.
balut. This is
Te, okay na ba ito, te? Yung ano niya, video sa cellphone.
This is the egg with the chicken inside. So we are going to try this.
Wait. Ay, te, ano, di ate. Try na ba yung video niya?
Yan.
Sa ulan lang ba sa taas na? Walang video? Hawakan mo nga. Ikaw na mo. That's wait.
Okay.
Yeah. The number is started.
Ayaw, open!
The number is started.
So guys, I want to try balut.
Oh.
This is an egg. There's a chick already forming inside. So I want to try this balut. It's weird.
Balot. I-open the balot.
It's called balut. Today,
Okay, huwag ka magano.
this is the raw
Balag niya. Balag niya.
How about this? This?
You ate.
Do I have? Should I? This one? Should I eat?
How does it look?
Wait.
Baliktad. Kaya matigas siya sa iba po. Baliktad. Sige lang.
It's not chicken.
Okay, that's alright. Maybe. Yeah.
So there's a chick is already forming. We have to try this. Let's be strong, guys. Oh, look at that.
Malapit na.
This one, is it eatable? Is it eatable?
Pre.
Yeah, can I eat this?
Oh, no.
May special na bisita to eh.
That's alright. That is delicious.
Oh?
Yeah.
This one is.
Yeah.
This one is hard.
Ah, kaya pala may tawid ka nung para sa hawig niya.
That's good. Water.
So that's balut. That's what it's called, balut. It's an egg with the chick already forming inside. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please make sure you subscribe to my channel hit the like button and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much and peace.